is lesson number 5th exercise. Okay. Today we'll start the new lesson, but before that we'll say the prayer. Okay. All of you close your eyes, join your hands and say the prayer. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Yes, children, open your eyes and all of you open page number 36 in your textbook, that is lesson number 6, Beauty and the Beast. So, what do you mean by beauty? So, beauty is a name. The beautiful thing, we call it as a beauty. And what do you mean by beast? Beast means one, it's look like a devil. Andre now bhoot anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, that we call it as the beast. Okay. So here, let us begin. Which of these will you find in a royal palace? Take your choices. Okay. Royal palace means one, the big palace. Palace andre ಏನು ಅರಮನೆ. So royal palace. How the palace is? Royal means rich. So take your choices. What you will find in royal palaces? Example, see, a rose garden, fountains, delicious food, a beast, silk clothes, a king, a horse, a soft bed. Except a beast, you can find out these all things. You can you can find out a rose garden. There is a, in front of the palace, there is a one rose garden. Have you seen the Mysore palace? In our Karnataka, the Mysore palace is famous, and also in Bangalore there is a one palace that we call it as the Bangalore palace, isn't it? So palace means aramane. ದೊಡ್ಡದಾದಂತ ಮನೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಅರಮನೆ. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what you can find in the palace? Horses you can find out, rose garden and silk clothes and delicious food. There are variety of foods over in the palace. And fountains means karanji anta ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, that we call it as the fountains. A king, and also you can find a king. If it is a palace means you will definitely find a king. And a soft bed, a soft and smooth bed. Let us read. Okay, shall we start the lesson? So here, except the beast, you can take the anyone. Okay. Let us read. Once there was a merchant who had 3 daughters. The first 2 daughters were mean and selfish. Here, there was a one merchant. Merchant means a person who buys and sells goods for profit. ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Merchant. Here, a newborn called merchant. Okay. Yes, children. Merchant means what? The person who buys and sells the good. A person who buys and sells goods for daughter name is what? Beauty. The Beauty is a very sweet and lovely girl. Everyone loved Beauty. Means she is very cute and she is very sweet. That's why everyone used to like the Beauty. Here, one day, the merchant had to go away on a long trip. Before leaving, he asked his daughters what presents they would like to have. One day what happened? The merchant had to go for the long trip. Okay. Before leaving, for example, if your parents, your mother and father are going somewhere for the picnic, for the trip, means what? They will ask what present you want, means what gift you want, isn't it? While coming back, they will bring some gifts for you, isn't it? Like that, the merchant asked his daughters, what presents do you like to have? Here, what the girls will said? Here, the first girl said that, get me lovely clothes and jewels, said the first girl. Among the three girls, the first daughter asked that, give me a good clothes and jewels. Jewels andre ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆಭರಣಗಳು. Jewels and clothes bring me. The first daughter said. And what did the second daughter said? Get me more clothes and more jewels than my sister, said the second girl. So the second girl said that whatever you are bringing for the first daughter, no, first my sister, so more than that you bring it to me. Means get me more clothes and more jewels. Get me more clothes and more jewels more than my sister. So ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ತರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗಿನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಂಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆಭರಣಗಳನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದು ಅವ್ರ ಫಾದರ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. And what do you want, Beauty? Asked her father. The third one is remaining. The third daughter is Beauty. Here, the father asked the daughter that, what do you want, Beauty? What do you want, Beauty? Only a lovely rose, said the Beauty. The Beauty said that the Beauty doesn't ask about the clothes and jewels. She asked only one lovely rose. Who asked? The Beauty, the third daughter of merchant, asked for a lovely rose. Next, what happens? The merchant went away on his trip. Poor merchant, he had a lot of bad luck. Finally, one day, the merchant went away for his trip. The merchant means the father of three daughters went away for the trip. Poor merchant. Why they said poor merchant? Because he had a lot of bad luck. Bad luck means what? He struggled in the trouble. Bad luck means what? Trouble. In this lesson, bad luck means trouble. Here, while going for the trip, the merchant faced some trouble. What is that trouble? During the journey, he lost all his money. During the journey ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ಒಬ್ಬ ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ತನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ದಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಣವನ್ನ he lost his money. ಈಗ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಯಾರು ಕೊಡೋದು ಮತ್ತು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದನ್ನ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಿ. ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಿ ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಮನಿ. ಅವರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಣವನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್? The merchant lost everything he has. He lost his money. He could not buy any presents for his daughters. While leaving the home, the father, the merchant, promised that he used to bring some presents for his daughters. But here, he lost his all money. So that's why he could not buy any presents for his daughters. If he doesn't have a money, means how can he brought the gift for daughters? So he could not able to brought up gifts for his daughters. He was on his way home when suddenly there was a terrible storm. Okay, what happened? He lost the money whatever he has. So by losing the money after, the merchant was returning to the home with an empty hand because he he lost everything. While he is returning home, that time on his way, what happened? Suddenly there was a terrible storm. Here, suddenly means at once and terrible means extremely bad. Extremely bad. Terrible means what? Extremely bad. So here one very bad storm came. Storm ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಬಿರುಗಾಳಿ, ಜೋರಾದ ಗಾಳಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿರುಗಾಳಿ. ಮಳೆ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿರುಗಾಳಿ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಮ್. So suddenly one terrible storm came over to the merchant. Thunder crashed and lightning flashed. Here thunder crashed means ಗಾಳಿ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಬೀಸಿತು and lightning flashed. ಗುಡುಗು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಿಂಚನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? So during the rain, how the clouds will flash, that we call it here lightning flash ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿಂಚು. lightning flash means ಮಿಂಚು, ಗುಡುಗು ಮಿಂಚು, ಜೋರಾದ ಗಾಳಿ ಮಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶುರುವಾಯಿತು. Next what happens? It began to rain. At that time the rain started. The merchant got completely wet. The merchant got completely wet in the rain. Just then he saw a big palace. So here, just then, when he got completely wet, when his clothes got completely wet, then he searched for some shelter to protect from the rain. That time, just then he saw a big palace. Now the merchant saw a big palace. There was a one big palace. ಈಗ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಲ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಗಿಡದ ಕೆಳಗಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಲ್ತೀರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಮನೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಲ್ತೀರಿ. So like that, this merchant also went in the big palace. He went into the palace as he wanted to save himself from the rain. Why he went to the palace? Because it was a heavy rainfall outside. To protect from the rain, the merchant went to the palace. There was nobody in the palace, but palace means there were so many people, isn't it? It may be king, animals and servants, maids. Yes, you might have seen in the films how the palace look. Palace ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರಮನೆ. ಅರಮನೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಅರಮನೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೇನೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ರಾಜ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ರಾಣಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೈನಿಕರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. Yes. And the big elephants and horses, isn't it? Sorry. But when the merchant entered into the palace, there was nobody. The palace was empty. The whole palace was empty. Whole means the complete palace. The palace was very big. That big palace was empty. The merchant called and called, but there was no answer. The merchant called means ಅವ್ರು ಕರೆದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರು, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಕರೆದಾಗ, but there was no one. There was a table in the room. Next, when we entered into the room, there was a one table. On the table, it had a lots of good freshly cooked food. On the table, it had a lots of good freshly cooked food. ಆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇತ್ತು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಿ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗಿ ತಯಾರಿಸಿದಂತ ಗುಡ್ ಫುಡ್, ಚಲೋ ಊಟ ಇತ್ತಂತೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಊಟ ಇತ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, the merchant sat down and ate the food. So anyhow, the merchant was lost money, so he was hungry, so he sat down. ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಚೇರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು he ate the all food. ಚೇರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಗುಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ಲಿ ಕುಕ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ದಂತ ಫುಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಿಂದ್ರು. There were silk cloths. There were silk cloths. The merchant wore cloths. There was a soft bed and the merchant went to sleep on the bed. So again he saw that there were some silk cloths. Silk means ರೇಷ್ಮೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳು. ಸೊ ಅರಮನೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ರಾಜರೆಲ್ಲ ಎಂತ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ? bed, that too very soft bed. So the merchant went to sleep on the bed. Anyhow, he ate the food and he wore the silk clothes and he went to the sleep. Here, one question is there. What comforts did the merchant enjoy in the palace? What comforts did the merchant enjoy in the palace? The merchant ate the all good and freshly cooked food. The merchant wore silk cloths and he went to the sleep for on the soft bed. Soft bed and the merchant went to sleep. These are the comforts the merchant had. Okay children, till now we learned the lesson, that is lesson number 6, the beauty and the beast. The title is very nice. How the title is beautiful, like that this story is also beautiful. This story is between the merchant and the beast. Beauty is the name of the third daughter. Okay children, here are the some new words. Make a copy it. Okay, and read the lesson. Make a list of new words. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, I hope you understood till here. Remaining will continue in the next class. Take care. Bye.